Hey, what's up guys? Moto G7 Play launched on February 2019 with Android 9 Pie out of the box. It comes with 2GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage. The Android 10 rollout for the Moto G7 Play started on June 18th, starting with Brazil, and since then the update has been released for the USA and after a week of Android 10 rollout in the USA. The latest Android 10 update is now available for Motorola Moto G7 Play in Canada. Android 10 brings a lot of new features and improvements to your device like dark mode, focus mode, live captions, new gestures, location permissions, privacy in settings, notification control, bubbles, and many more. The update will be available via OTA on your device. There is no news yet as to when the update will drop for other regions. Hopeful users of Moto G7 Play does not have to wait too long in other regions. So this is the information about Motorola Moto G7 Play Android 10 update. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like this video. So bye bye. See you later.